Imagine one morning, everyone on Earth wakes up and realizes they can't poop anymore. At first, things seem pretty normal. People think, maybe it's just a little glitch. By tomorrow, everything will be fine. But as the days go by, nothing happens. Nobody is pooping, and soon panic starts to spread. Week 1, the beginning of trouble. In the first few days, people are a bit annoyed but try to laugh it off. Some joke, well, at least we don't have to clean the toilet as much. But after a week, it's no longer funny. Stomachs start bloating, weird pains begin, and everyone feels heavy and uncomfortable. Doctors tell people to eat lighter foods, hoping it'll help, but it's just a temporary fix. Hospitals fill up with people clutching their bellies in agony. Scientists begin researching the issue, but no one can find an explanation. It's like the human body collectively decided to stop pooping. Week 2, things spiral out of control. By the second week, physical problems get worse. Bellies swell, the pressure inside builds up, and people describe it as feeling like a bowling ball is trapped inside their gut. Some people turn to herbal remedies, mint tea, ginger, laxatives. Nothing works. Desperate folks even try eating super spicy foods, hoping to kickstart their system. Still, nothing. Meanwhile, the internet blows up with wild conspiracy theories. This is a biological experiment. Aliens are controlling us. Or, this is nature's revenge for climate change. People don't know what to believe anymore. Week 3, society starts to break down. By week 3, society begins to crumble. People are in too much pain to go to work. Businesses shut down, transportation grinds to a halt, and hospitals can't take any more patients. Even farmers are complaining, saying, we can't fertilize our crops anymore. Chemical fertilizers just aren't the same. At the same time, bizarre solutions pop up. Some suggest a global exercise day where everyone does jumping jacks together to force the system back into action. Others propose mass meditation sessions. But nothing works, and the collective frustration reaches a boiling point. Week 4, a catastrophe looms. By now, the human body is reaching its breaking point. The waste trapped in people's intestines has built up to dangerous levels, and doctors warn of ruptured intestines and deadly infections. Some desperate scientists suggest emergency surgeries to manually remove the waste, but that's only possible for a small fraction of the population. Most people are left to suffer. On top of that, imagine if this problem suddenly resolved itself and everyone pooped at the same time. It would be an environmental disaster. Sewage systems couldn't handle the sheer volume, and rivers, lakes, and farmland would be overwhelmed with waste. Cities would become unbearable due to the smell and contamination. A bittersweet ending? Now picture this. On the final day of the month, a genius scientist discovers the solution. Maybe it's a miracle drug or a high-tech device that resets the human body. People line up in droves to try it, and slowly, things return to normal. When the first person finally poops after a month, it feels like a global celebration. But this experience leaves humanity with a valuable lesson. People realize that even the simplest bodily functions, like pooping, are essential and should never be taken for granted. Make sure to like the video, and if you enjoy stories like this, subscribe to the channel to stay entertained and learn a lot along the way.